guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. It may look like I'm getting ready to start a tool video, but that'll be next. I'm just getting set up to start filming a tool video, but I wanted to come back and let you guys know that I realize it's been just a little bit since I've been able to upload a video on second gen content, Gladiator content. As you guys know, I am selling a caddy. If anybody is interested in that, hit me up in the description. I'm asking $3,500 for the caddy, and the dually is for sale. You guys all know I've done a lot of work to the dually since its inception here on the channel. I'm asking $9 grand for that. Anybody's interested, hit me up in the comment section, or hit me up on Instagram. Instagram's right here. Anyways, reason I'm selling both of those is I do have some back issues going on. It will heal, but I don't know, I'm really getting sick of shifting gears, to be honest with you. As cool as the caddy is, it's a 5-speed, and I don't know, it's just, I really hate to sell that truck out of all three of them. The caddy is probably my favorite. The second gen is cool, don't get me wrong, I like it, but the caddy is just unique in itself. So anyways, I have a bulging disc L4, L5. It will heal on its own. I have a epidural scheduled that I have to go get done. As of right now, I'm on light duty at home and at work. I got a 10-pound maximum lifting limit, and then no extreme bending, twisting, all that jazz. So back feels really good, but just the neuropathy in my foot is just aggravating, to say the least. It's painful to walk. The burning, the tingling, the numbness in my left foot is just unreal. So I don't wish this upon anybody. Anyway, yes, we've got a tool video coming up here for tomorrow's video. Got a Yes welder here we're going to try out. They were gracious enough to send this to me. This is a DC inverted TIG welder, so it would be like carbon steel, stainless steel, stuff like that is it. So we're going to be uploading this video, or this video will be up tomorrow for Tool Tech Tuesday. If you guys have not had a chance, Weld Metals Online, check these guys out. It is a pretty awesome site. These are called coupons, and you can go, this is carbon steel, or this is carbon steel here. These come just like this. They're cleaned, they're prepped, they're ready to weld on or ready to practice on. I've been picking these up just for the TIG welding purposes. I have them in aluminum, carbon steel, and stainless steel. And it just is, I think the starting kit, this is a carbon steel filler wire, and then it had some aluminum wire, or some aluminum filler right here. I paid $45 shipped to the door for, I think it was like, let's see, I had 2 different package sizes of aluminum, and then 2 different sizes of carbon steel. And this is what this is the carbon steel. So if you guys have not had a chance, links in the description, Weld Metals Online, and then I do have a discount code down there too. It's CHAD10, save you 10% on your purchase. Like I said, well worth the money. I've been working with the Prime Weld over there. That is an AC/DC machine. The carbon steel and the stainless steel is going pretty good. My stainless steel is kind of grayish, but my aluminum really sucks, and it needs a lot of attention yet. So I'm just not quite ready to bring the Prime Weld back and embarrass myself more than I embarrass myself when I'm by myself. So yeah, if you guys have not had a chance, Weld Metals Online, links in the description. CHAD10, save you 10%. Well worth the money as far as going someplace and having to cut all these coupons like this, or go out to a lot. I mean, let's face it, there's not a lot of people that have welding supply stores, or I'm sorry, metal supply stores like I do, kind of down the road, where, you know, a lot of us go to Tractor Supply, go to Menards, go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, and we pay these astronomical amounts for these pieces of steel. Then you take it home, cut them up just to practice welding on. Once you do that, you could buy these coupons from Weld Metals Online. And also the Prime Weld, it's available on Weld Metals Online also. The Yes welder, it is not. These are available on Amazon. But enough with that, that's tomorrow's video. Let's get back to the second gen. I am getting some things around. The engine is for the most part done. I do have all the valves in place. I did put the new push rod in. If you remember right, I've been a push rod during the installation of them on the number 6 cylinder. It was the exhaust on the number 6. So I did get that new push rod in. Everything's buttoned up. The hot retorque's done on the studs. valves are relashed, everything is ready to go. The only thing we need to do is get the transmission in. And I want to show you a couple of things that I found, or actually just one thing that I found that is going to make life for myself a lot easier. But I do have the transmission ready to go back in. Roll over here a minute. I did get it off of the sawhorse that was sitting right here. A friend of mine come over, and my son and his son, they lifted it off the sawhorse. They do have it down on the transmission jack. It is ready to go. I just got to get a couple of quarts in my torque converter, get it set in place, and then we can take it out to the truck and jack it up in place. I should be able to do that okay by myself. The biggest thing is going to be rolling that around. I should be okay, but we'll see. I have plenty of help. I got plenty of help if I need it, which I'm asking for a lot here lately, it seems like. Anyway, one of the things that I found kind of interesting, if you guys remember right, on the transfer case, I was having an issue with the indicator switch. Did a bunch of searching online, and for anybody out there that needs this, this should come in helpful for you. This transfer case is for like a pre-02 truck that has the vacuum actuated front axle. I do not. I've got a Dana 60 front, I've got a Dana 80 rear, so I do not have that vacuum fork that actually puts it in four-wheel drive. So the vacuum, or the indicator switch that I had, I think I had it in one of the videos. If you guys remember right, it was a smaller thread size than what this one is. So I did a bunch of searching around, and I went to my local parts store, took this with me, and I was actually able to find, it's a Dorman part, and then right there's the part number. It's a 600-506, and that's a four-wheel drive switch, and this is actually for a Chevy or a GMC, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it was the Tahoe. Right there it is. And I was concerned about, if you look at them side by side right there, depth of the ball or the button is actually relatively different. Thread depth is the same, but the button size is considerably different. So I thought I would try. I brought it home. It actually screws right in place. Same pitch of threads, same thread size. So that'll tighten up just like that and be all good. And then, like I said, the next thing I was worried about was the button size right there. Go ahead and grabbed my multimeter, and we went ahead and just ohmed them each out. All right, as you can see right there, the circuit is closed with it in two-wheel drive. So if we take it right and put it in four-wheel drive, you can see it goes to 1, so that means it's making contact with that button, so it all should be good. So once again, you see we changed right there, so by my calculations everything should be good as far as button size and everything else. So that made me pretty happy when I was able to find that. Like I said, I just took the factory vacuum switch and looked for everything that had the same thread pitch, same diameter. Like I said, the only thing I was concerned about was the button size. So, but other than that, as you can see on the ohm meter, it should be all good. Everything is good in the engine bay. So, like I said, all we got to need to do is get the transmission put in, and we'll be in business. So, anyway, guys, it's just a catch-up video, let you know where I'm at. I'm not going any place. I just laid up with a little bit of medical issues. So, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so. Stay tuned for tomorrow's, right there, yes welder video we got coming up. So we'll see how it works out. Like, subscribe, we'll talk to you guys later on.